Hi, I'm Ella LaCory. I'm majoring in General Studies, and I chose motivation for my topic. Why do most college students lack motivation? A lot of students find that staying motivated is really hard. Some students would probably rather be doing other priorities, or they have to do something else right away. So then they're not motivated to do any of their assignments. That's not always the case though. Some could be struggling mentally, physically, or other personal problems that we don't know about. Motivation could be a very big deal for college students because if some have no motivation, they won't do their assignments at all. Or they'll procrastinate and just do them last minute. How is motivation similar at each level and how is it different? Motivation is pretty similar in each level. Everyone has an issue with it at some point in their life, but in different ways. Some people can be more motivated to move away from something or more motivated going towards something. An example for being motivated to move away could be a full-ride scholarship to a great school, but maybe it's really far away and you're not sure if you're ready to move that far yet. An example for moving towards something could be you being motivated to work very hard for that raise at work, or maybe even passing a test you've been studying for, like our finals next week. They are the same because in each case you feel motivated to achieve something, whether it be good or bad. From my statistics, 66% of students attend community college after high school. 69% of American college freshmen reported severe homesickness. I totally get why that number is so high. I don't blame them at all. 92% of over 1 million international students in the U.S. say they miss home while studying abroad. I chose these particular statistics because homesickness has a lot to do with motivation. The strong feeling of missing home trumps new priorities. That motivation some new students might have had the first couple weeks of college abroad disappears when they start to miss home. And I didn't add this, but I chose homesickness because I get homesick so easily. So I thought that would be a good little addition. How to get motivated and how to keep it. One way I like to stay motivated is by setting small, easy goals for myself. Take the assignments, for example. Each day you can do 1 to 3 assignments until the day they are due. That way you could spend an hour or however long it takes you to finish 1 to 3 assignments each day. You can do whatever you want after instead of taking all day to complete every single assignment. I don't like doing that. Or if you have a few classes, do all of your work assignments in one day so you have the rest of the week with no coursework. Whichever way you find more helpful. Personally, I don't like doing it that way because I work. And so whenever I get home from work, I'll do 1 to 3 assignments that day, whatever I'm feeling. You could also buy a planner. That's a great way to stay motivated. You can write down everything you need to do in there. You could even add small goals in there and keep things interesting. And these were my sources. I loved them all. They helped me a lot, and I actually learned a lot. So, thank you.